When she stepped in looking like a snack, man damn ready to attack. You know what I want, so give me that. And you know it was never luck. When I stepped in looking like a snack, the girl damn ready.
Well going guys, welcome back to my channel. Judging from the title, you can see today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. It's beginner friendly, and usually I have like 3 different type of eyebrows that I do. I do like a darker eyebrows for my full coverage look, you know, when I do all the extra pizzazzes glam stuff. And second, I just kind of like lightly fill them in, lighter kind of brow for like a natural, more natural look. And third, I use mascara or gel or something to just like brush them in place and then conceal them. Today I will be, you just have to wait to see. So let's get this video started. I'm gonna start off by using my Scully, both sides, and I'm gonna use this side, of course, to brush my eyebrow hairs into place. So once I got them brushed into place, I'm going to take my mascara. I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. You can find this in Walmart or Target, or where else do you think? I think you can find it. You will find it in Walmart, Target, Walgreens, or you can find it in not Sephora but Ulta Beauty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Scully, and I'm gonna use it gently, like right here on it, and I'm just gonna, you know, rub it on there. You want to find a mascara. If you don't want to use this, because this one's waterproof as well, you want to find a mascara that is close to your eyebrow hair color, so like a dark brown for most people. Then you want to start filling your brow hairs in. So I'm just gonna start. I usually start at the tail. Always start at the tail, or you might want to start under your eyebrow hair. So right where it starts at. If you kind of like move your eyebrow hairs up, it kind of helps. So just make strokes and lines that looks like your eyebrow hair. So you're not really, you know, just like make lines with it. Slowly you're gonna see that it's filling in nice and light. Then you want to brush them again into place. Make sure they're always staying into place and they're not all over the eyebrow hairs are not all over the place. And you want to continue to make more strokes and lines to fill them in. Make them look just like eyebrow hairs. You want to get more if you need, as needed, and just more strokes. Then with your Scully, you're just gonna lightly do this. Sleep the ones in the front up, and at the same time you're giving it a little bit of mascara product on them, just like that. And basically you're gonna do the same thing to this other eyebrow. Product. Use more product and fill them in some more. I kind of finished fill them in on off camera really good, but I just basically did the same exact thing that I was showing you guys. Now we're going to use the Scully once again to brush them into place. And then we're going to use that same mascara that we were using to add the product to brush them down in place so they can stay. Because my eyebrow hairs are always sticking up. That's going to add even more product on your eyebrow hairs. So just brush them up. And also this is a waterproof mascara, so it's not going to like, you know, you can wear this in the pool. Your eyebrows still won't come off. Now we're going to use a concealer of your choice. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Beautiful Bronze. You want to use a concealer that is close to like your skin tone. If you're not gonna wear foundation with your eyebrows, if you're just doing your eyebrows, you know, some girls like to just do their eyebrows and wear eyelashes. So if you're not going to use foundation, you're not doing a full look, then you want to use a concealer that is close to your skin tone, so it's not going to show, or one that is exactly the same. And you're going to conceal the bottom of your eyebrows with it. So you just want to, you know, get up under there. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other eyebrow. So add some more concealer on your brush. So then once you finish concealing the bottom part of your eyebrows, let me fix right here. Okie dokes. Then you want to get a foundation color. I gotta be so loud. A foundation color that is your skin tone or close to your skin tone. I'm gonna be using the why keep on saying LA Girl? You're gonna be using the L'Oreal. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal True Match, and this is in the shade W9 Spice Latte. It's the foundation that I feel like it's close to my skin color, even though sometimes I don't feel like it's close. It's gonna be close enough today. And if it's not close enough, then I'm gonna have to use some other foundation to blend in with it. We're gonna blend that out later, but let's do the other side. See how I continue from that line and go straight across? You might want to do that to get it to be, you know, straight across. Then we're going to blend it out with an eyebrow brush. We're gonna blend it out with an eyeshadow brush. Reason being why I had said use a color closer to your skin tone is because if you're not gonna be using foundation and you're not doing foundation with your eyebrows, you just wanted to do your eyebrows, you're gonna want, you're gonna want it to be the same color as your skin tone. You don't want to be able to see the concealer. But anyways, I'm gonna be using some loose powder under it, and the loose powder that I use is this one. You can find it in Walmart. It's the Aipspun loose face powder. It's like white, clear. You don't really see it when you put it on under it. And then I'm gonna be using my Pro Concealer Contour Kit. I know it looks a little bit dirty. And I'm gonna go in with the medium bronzer shade over here and also the medium contour shade. I'm just gonna use my other color and go over it to try to get it the same as my skin color. See, now I switched to a bigger brush that was taking up a lot of time. Just, brush it. Now I'm gonna back up some so you can see the light. It's pretty much, close enough. And then I'm going to, final step, use that same mascara I used earlier to go over them again. Go over my brow hairs to set them in place and, brush them back. The other side. So with this kind of look, it basically just gonna have it look, when your makeup and everything just looking like it is your eyebrow hairs instead of looking like you fill them in and have them like too dark, But I'm just gonna do my eyelashes with my mascara, just spicing up things. Just put a little bit of mascara on the eyebrow, on the eyelash.
Oh yeah. Wink, wink. Wink, wink. Wink, wink.
So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a comment. Tell me how you think it looks. Tell me how I did. You can ask questions. Any questions you have, you can ask in the comments. Give my video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to share with your friends. You know that friend that be having that extreme harsh line in the front. You want to share this with your friend so your friend can know not to have that line in the front, because that is a huge no. That is the press draw on eyebrows, and we do not need that in 2019. So you want to share it with your friend, share it with that friend that need it. And yeah, thank you for watching.